one most important problem in 7 marks problem, third chapter, parabola, example number 4th most important problem. Find the equation of the parabola passing through the points minus 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 1, and having its axis is parallel to the x-axis. Here find the equation of the parabola passing through the 3 points, and axis is parallel to x-axis. Axis is parallel to x-axis. Here given points, let A is equal to minus 1 comma 2, B is equal to 1 comma minus 1, C is equal to 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. First of all, draw the diagram. This is the equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola. This is the axis of the parabola. This is the directrix. This is the directrix. Here axis is parallel to x-axis. Axis is parallel to x-axis and passing through the point A, B and C. A point minus 1 comma 2, B point 1 comma minus 1, C point 2 comma 1. Here let the required equation of the parabola is whose axis is parallel to x-axis is x is equal to Ly square plus My plus n is the required equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is x is equal to Ly square plus My plus n. Here L comma M comma n are the real numbers. Here find the L comma M comma n values and substitute this equation. Here the parabola passing through the 3 points. 3 point substitute on the parabola and getting the equations in L comma M and N. For solving element N, the above 3 equations, find the values element and substitute equation number 1. Here let the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is x is equal to Ly square plus My plus n. This is the required equation of the parabola. Here the parabola one is passing through A point minus 1 comma 2. A minus 1 comma 2 substitute on the parabola 1. X minus 1 is equal to L y square 2 square plus My 2 plus n. Minus 1 is equal to 2 square 4. 4 into L 4L plus 2m plus n. Taking 1 right side, 4L plus 2m plus n plus 1 is equal to 0. Next one, the parabola 1 is passing through passing through B point. B point 1 comma minus 1. B 1 comma minus 1 be a point lies on the parabola 1. So here x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, 1 is equal to L y square minus 1 whole square plus my minus 1 plus n. 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square 1, 1 into L minus m plus n. Taking one right side, L minus m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 2. Again, the parabola 1 is passing through C point 2 comma 1. C 2 comma 1 be a point lies on the parabola. Here x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. 2 is equal to L into y square 1 square plus m into y 1 plus n. 2 is equal to L plus m plus n. Taking to right side, L plus m plus n minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 3. For solving equation 1, 2, 3 for the values L, m, n. From equation number 1 and 2 solve eliminating n. From 1 and 2, first equation 4L plus 2m plus n plus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation L minus m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. Subtracting minus plus minus plus n minus n get cancel. 4L minus L 3L 2m plus m 3m plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the condition number 4. Condition number 4. Again, solving 2 and 3. From 2 and 3, second equation L minus m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. Third one is L plus m plus n minus 2 is equal to 0. Subtracting plus minus plus n minus n get cancel. Plus L minus L get cancel. Minus m minus 2m plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2m is equal to minus 1. Minus get cancel. M is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in equation number 4. M is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in equation number 4. Equation number 4 is 3L plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. 3L plus 3m. M is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. 3L plus 3 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Taking two term right side, minus 3 by 2 minus 2. Here LCM 2 minus 3. 2 2s are 4. 3L is equal to minus 7 by 2. L is equal to minus 7 by 3 2s are 6. L is equal to minus 7 by 6. M is equal to 1 by 2. L is equal to minus 7 by 6. L comma M values substitute in equation number 3. L is equal to minus 7 by 6. M is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in equation number 3. Third one is L plus M plus N minus 2 is equal to 0. L minus 7 by 6 plus M 1 by 2 plus N minus 2 is equal to 0. N is equal to 7 by 6 minus 1 by 2 plus 2. N is equal to 2 6 LCM 6 7 6 by 2 3 plus 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. N is equal to 7 plus 12 19. 19 minus 3 16 by 6 2 table 2 3s are 2 8s are. N is equal to 8 by 3. N is equal to 8 by 3. L is equal to minus 7 by 6. M is equal to 1 by 2. N is equal to 8 by 3. Therefore, L is equal to minus 7 by 6. M is equal to 1 by 2. N is equal to 8 by 3. Substitute in equation number Roman number 1. Roman number 1. X is equal to Ly square plus My plus No. X is equal to L minus 7 by 6 y square plus M 1 by 2 y plus No 8 by 3. 8 by 3. This is the answer. Here taking LCM 6 2 6 2 3 6 LCM 6 minus 7y square 6 by 2 3y plus 6 by 3 2 2 8 16 6 into x 6x is equal to minus 7y square plus 3y plus 16. Taking all terms left side 7y square minus 3y plus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and passing through the 3 points. First of all, let the required equation of the parabola axis is parallel to x-axis is x is equal to Ly square plus My plus N. Substitute 3 points on the parabola. Find the equations 3 and solving 3 equations for the values L, M, N. Solving 3 equations, find L, M, N values and substitute L, M, N values in the equation number Roman number 1. This is the process most important problem